So last time we have learned about how to develop a web application like servlet application by using the by implementing servlet API. So there is multiple ways I have told to develop one servlet. Okay, so directly or indirectly we can implement the servlet by implementing the servlet API. That is a servlet, you know, right? So there is another way also we can develop or we can build the servlet applications, right? So that I'm going to show it today. So let me develop one application that is new module. Let me name it second servlet. Okay, this is the servlet, this is the one, and what type of project we are going to choose, web app. Okay, archetype web app. And if you go to the advanced, so we are going to give our this one Rakas IT. This is your packaging structure. I'm choosing Java 17, but I don't know how why it is going. Okay, let me copy that Maven compiler, and we are using Jakarta servlet, right? So I can copy from this one fast servlet we have developed. Jakarta dependency, this one, right? 6 dot latest we are using, that is 6 dot O. Okay, so here we can paste the dependency. Fine, we can reload this one. Okay, okay. So POM is fine. That's all. Okay, so then we are going to develop our application, that is here. Oh, this is the first, not this is the first one. Servlet main, then create the directory that is Java. Inside the Java, create the packaging structure, package com.prakas it. This is the packaging structure. Inside that we are going to develop our application, right? That is second servlet. Okay, second servlet. Okay, let me give it second servlet. That is a class. So extends extend generic servlet. Generic servlet from Jakarta, that is a class, so we should extend that class. Okay, once you implement once you extend the generic servlet like HTTP servlet, like servlet API we use it, right? uh, Jakarta servlet API. So in that different methods are there. We are just implementing that methods, right? So here generic servlet also we have. If you go inside the generic servlet, you can see generic servlet also implements servlet. That is actually one way to develop the servlet application. That is a servlet by implementing the servlet API. So this is a servlet, okay, from Jakarta servlet servlet interface. But what we are doing, we are implementing the generic servlet. I told, right? Here we are doing by extending from the generic servlet, that is the class. Okay. Whatever the classes you are implementing to develop a servlet application, so that is in turn implement the servlet API. By default, whatever the method that is there in the servlet interface, that will come into the implementation class, that is generic servlet. Here along with that, some other method also might be there in the generic servlet, like this is the destroy get init parameter. Many methods are there. Okay. So no need to worry. Just I am showing here how we can develop on servlet by extending from generic servlet. So what we have to do, we have to implement the method, that is service method we are implementing here. Okay, so while running our application, we are going to check this servlet is calling or not. So for that, I'm going to put one just print statement. Okay, I am inside. I'm inside second servlet. Okay, just a print message. Okay, servlet. Okay, that is fine. And I will go to this one, web.xml and index.jsp. Okay, so this is the second servlet we have developed. Second, let me copy this web.xml, not this one. This is welcome to second servlet. Okay, and we'll provide one anchor tag, that is the hyperlink tag, that a href href equals to, inside that, the URL, whatever the URL we are going to provide for our this one, for our servlet. So that is the one. So click for second servlet. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll close this anchor tag. Fine. Okay, that's all. Then here we are going to write that inside the web app. Okay, inside the web app, we have to write the servlet. Okay, servlet tag, servlet tag, servlet tag, servlet name. Servlet name is let me give the second servlet. Fine. Then servlet class. Servlet class is nothing but com dot prakash it dot second servlet. Fine. So this is the one. Then servlet. Then servlet mapping. Servlet mapping. Servlet class. Servlet name is the same servlet. Okay. Whatever the servlet we have given here, same servlet, and URL pattern, you can choose any servlet name. Here I have taken servlet second servlet as the same name. You might have think, or let me change into my servlet. Okay, my my second servlet. Okay, so is my second servlet. So here my second servlet, and this one is what I have given. Second servlet is the okay, second servlet. Let me second servlet. Okay, then URL pattern, let me choose here is slash second servlet. Okay, servlet tag we have given, servlet name we have given, and this one we have to change according to web.xml inside the tomcat I have shown in the last one. Okay, so what we'll do here is like we'll copy from the first one. Instead of going to that, what I will do, web.xml. So what I'm going to do here is we can copy from the tomcat web.xml. So what I'm doing, I'm copying from here the first project. Okay, so no need to worry. So what I'm going to do here is like I can replace with the this one web app. Okay, web app tab extra. Okay, fine. Yes, okay, the development is completed, and just print message I've given. So what to run the application on the server. Okay, this is the second servlet I have given web.xml. Okay, fine. Let me give the heat for the second servlet. Okay, welcome to the second servlet. Click for second servlet, the this one I have given, right? Once we click, we have not provided anything, so it is displaying the white page, right? Blank page. So we can see the this on the console. I'm inside the second servlet. We have provided the this one information, right? Second server, I am inside the second server. So we saw the response, right? So that means we are successfully got the response, right? So I have explained you how we can develop the servlet by extending from the generic servlet. So next thing is that we have another servlet, that is HTTP servlet. How we can develop our one servlet by extending from the HTTP servlet. That finally I will in the next class we'll see how we can develop our servlet by extending from the HTTP servlet. Okay, thank you.